Hey YouTubers, thanks for stopping by. This is DVK's Crafts. And in my last video, I was telling you all how I was preparing for my son's graduation celebration, his recital graduation celebration, and how I was looking for the color scheme of black, gray, or silver, and red. And it was very hard to find anything that I really liked in black and silver, black and gray. There wasn't many options out there. Many of the options for graduation decorations are in black and gold. So I decided to make my own graduation decorations so I could make them in the colors that we wanted. And I showed you all the Dollar Tree wreaths that I purchased. These 8-inch wreaths. It was $1.25 for a set of two, which came out to like 65 cents each after taxes. And I had a lot of scrap fabric that I pulled out and cut it into strips in the colors that I wanted. So here are some of the strips here in grays, blacks, and reds. And so I cut those out and I went on and did my rag wreath, the little mini rag wreath, and here it is. I am very, very pleased with the way this came out. This is going to be part of my centerpieces on the tables. And so I'm gonna sit these on the tables, and then I'm gonna put a vase in the middle of it. Okay, so in my last video I was talking about how we was trying to make this budget friendly, and how I bought the wreaths from the Dollar Tree. A lot of my decorations I've already purchased from the Dollar Tree, like tablecloths, napkins, things like that. The cutlery, all of that from the Dollar Tree. And so I wanted to do the vases. And what I did regarding the vases, I actually went to the Goodwill thrift shop because I had watched a few videos talking about thrifting items from the thrift store and making them into party decorations. And so I went to the thrift store and I found 10 vases because I said I was going to make 10 centerpieces. And so these are what I found at the thrift store. And all of them were either 99 cents or less. There were a few of them that were like 59 cents. And then one I paid $1.99. That's this black one. It was clear glass and I've already spray painted it black. I may put another coat on there. I may not. This is what I'm going to do to all of the rest of these. I'm going to spray paint them black. And so this is kind of giving you an idea of what they're going to look like. And I didn't want it to be perfect. So you're going to see where the paint has dripped, but that's fine because I want nothing to be perfect. I don't want to stress about anything. So I'm going to paint them. And you see I got all different shapes and sizes because it's very rare you're going to go to a thrift store and find all of them exactly the same, which was fine with me. I like the variety of the sizes and the heights and all of that. So I was okay with this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the vase and I'm going to put it in the center of the rag wreath. Again, I am very pleased with how this turned out. So, and then I have some other ideas for the vase, and I'll come back on and show you what those ideas are. They're in my head. I just have to go on and do them and see how they're going to look. But this is what the centerpieces are going to look like. And I'm very happy with that. So, thanks for stopping by, and you be blessed.